Rangbah ke Jylla konrat ki sangmah ka khat sau tarik nailar arajar arpulai ula Plie ba ka prime hub ha Umdihar ka badonru ka pineapple processing unit ha ka ni ka sngi Plie la donru Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA ka Umsning constituency bat ka kong Magdalene Maulong MDC ka Umsning constituency na lor ki weipan. Haba keren ha kani ka Jylla Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ulaong bakani ka prime hub kam dei ban kentiu ya ka kam khai pateng henrei ban kentiu habaro kiliang ula benrap ru ka sengkam lajong ka dei ka wei na kilat ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot ha ka Jylla nadu ki kam ki baret hadu ki kam ki bahe. Myntri Rangbah ula kedawru halor ka jingdon kam jong ki Integrated Village Cooperative Society na ka benta ka imlang ka salang bat ban kentiu ya ka Jylla. Shu ula ongru baka prime hub kan penyo haki samla bat ki Rangbah ka rensan ban yo jing hikai ban yo ki jing yarap bat ka jing kedaw lenti ha ka biadei bat ka jingdon kam ban kentiu ya ki kam ki jongki. Ula ongru baka Chief Minister Championship Challenge ka dei ka jaka bangin jit iki nong seng kam ki badon ni ka mensiam ban trei na ka benta ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot ha ka Jylla. Ula ongru baka sorkar ka jujet shis pangut man la ki batch ban ai jing arab lengba ka song pisa lengba ki loan bat lengba ki jing hikai ban penhe ya ka kam ka jongki.
My sincere and humble request to all entrepreneurs of Rangbah and others is to take their opportunity very seriously and use the support and advice to help accelerate growth in your business. There are ways and means for entrepreneurs to finally have a support system where they can focus on new, innovative ways of working, designing, organizing towards higher growth and to be more competitive with others in the country. What's stopping us? So let's strive for a better future together. Kali kadai kala na kamenta ki khun samla ki jangi ya ka ba ki don kata ka jingnam ka jistan henrei hanna don pat kata ka kam ka ba bit ka ba biang lengba ki social media lengba ki YouTube ki ba ke ngani scam buat na pi la sakhi wala ka lo ki nongda wala ka lo ka department of tourism dan itu ki badon ka jing tmu ba ha ka kam chungok kai kumla kren mene ikong shala mo kibe thu khana chong sotron ya ka ba la shala ni shaba kinong shna asha ba kun sa terter kala kanenti kadon ani idon lam pat mo tin hatain bandi jalais bandong kita ki job mo kiba seekers kiba nakaposh kapor idon kamsat bani shikmat yamna bandem mo di khun samna juni ki don ya kasap ka bapher bakali kadai kala kalenti na kabanta jompi way ban mi shakmat ban wa di na kalenti na kajing don jagani ka prime ha ka ay si ni baro na ikam ni barit kan salong ke ek ka bakraw shi sen kasi tingin dei bani na du jing karmen yem dei bani shi sa put in high bien mo kung bakran ni ikaw shina bon ke jiya dan di ke juni ha bani sedang kan mo ka kam ni haban ba de ke jiya bara ko ni mo ban sedang ka kam ni yo ko tiel kai ka profit dari kio shajro henrei ni ha ban ya ben ka ben step by step ban yo pa yo ka uso aja ka chimtemen uso ban ma bun ki chimentoy yem dei ban na te ka jindo la ni ka pa scam ni pi balinga ikam di baret insa kala no ki background she seen kasi
they come and inaugurate this center because during the election time, even though it was not inaugurated, this building has been used for CRPF Kramat scheme. That I was thinking the privilege should be for what it is meant for. I am very thankful to you, sir. Prime Hub. All of us are thinking, what is Prime? Prime is promotion and incubation of market-driven enterprises. Promotion, I think all of us understand. But incubation, because I'm a doctor, I want to talk a little bit about the incubation. When we talk about measles, incubation period is the period when you start having fever till you get the rashes. So it takes about 7 days to 10 days. That is the incubation period. But as far as the cooperative societies are concerned, I feel we should really help our people to come out of the incubation period as early as possible.
About what we are trying to do out here. Back in 2018, I had come up with a very small idea that we should start recognizing and awarding some of the young entrepreneurs of our state. And so we started a Chief Minister's Entrepreneurship Award. And based on that, we started to give 1 lakh rupees to different entrepreneurs who were doing different kind of businesses in whatever line they were doing. And the idea behind this was a basic principle, which is that until and unless the public and the private sector, when I say public, I don't mean government, when I say public means the general public, and the entrepreneurs and the private sector, until unless they don't get involved in the economic activity of a nation, of a state, we will not see sustainable development. And hence the only way for a country or for a state to achieve economic sustainability and development is to push the ecosystem for entrepreneurship forward. And hence started a very, very long journey for us with a small award that we started giving to the conceptualization of what we call Prime Program. So the Prime Program is an acronym, of course, but this acronym and the word Prime is actually meant for entrepreneurship. That's what it is. It's about promoting entrepreneurship. It's about promoting business. It's about promoting different groups at different levels so that they can achieve and do more than what they have been doing in the past. Now, when I say entrepreneurship, it doesn't have to mean a business or a big industry. It doesn't have to mean a corporation. Entrepreneurship even starts off with a very small thing like an individual running a shop. It may not be the ideal, innovative entrepreneurship that we want, but it is still an entrepreneurship unit, a small one. Our self-help groups who are doing their different programs and having different kind of food processing units and packaging units, it's a form of entrepreneurship. The integrated village cooperative societies, the IVCS that we have, these are also enterprises and entrepreneurship in nature. And hence we started realizing that until unless there is a platform, until unless there is a program that will give importance and impetus to the entrepreneurship programs, will give the necessary platform and necessary support in terms of training, in terms of finances, in terms of packaging, marketing, all the kind of support you require, we realized that entrepreneurship will not take off. And hence the concept of Prime Hubs came up. And we started the first one, of course, in Shillong, which is where we have an incubation center, come Prime Center, from where maybe about close to 300-400 entrepreneurs have got support. Every year we have a Chief Minister's E-Challenge program. It's a business plan competition where thousands of entrepreneurs compete, where the top 100 of them, they receive even up to 10 lakhs as cash award and up to 50 lakhs as interest-free loan to start their business and pursue their dreams. We connect them to IIM Kolkata and other very, very skilled agencies which can then guide them and train them to show them how you prepare a business plan, to train them on how to approach a bank, train them on how to maintain their books and accounts, tell them what marketing is all about, tell them that packaging is important and equally important, building up trust is important. And hence, if you look at what we are doing here in the Prime Hub, it's not just rooms. These rooms are going to be the area and place where the economy will move forward, where we will convert the dreams and aspirations of our entrepreneurs into reality, where we will be guiding them and training them in ways they would have never been trained before. A place where we will be able to unlock the kind of opportunities that are there right in front of us and we are not able to do anything about it. This is what a Prime Hub will do for us. And I really hope that the IBCS of Umdihar, which is going to be actually running this program, would really be able to give that kind of importance to the people and be able to give them the necessary guidance and training and support through which we will be able to achieve those dreams. So we have come up with a program and we will be rolling it out just after Independence Day, maybe September 1st week, where we are going to be coming out with small storage spaces for the IBCS groups. So you'll be having different locations where storage spaces will be constructed and handed over to you to manage. In those locations, we will also have, whenever required, cold storage in the system, because cold storage also is required. We also realize that these kind of Prime Hubs cannot be everywhere, so in different locations we may need facility centers, a community center, community hall. So for that also we come up with a very large program where we'll be setting up different community halls and facility centers in different parts of the state. So this kind of a program will be held, but I strongly feel that Counseling is an area and Rangbah is an area which can have a large logistic hub where all the different products that have to be exported.
Promoters, but the same October and but the register cooperative and October and sedang nasional dunia kita seluruh jadi bagi IBCS, bakuno kesenangan bagi IBCS. Anyway, saya dengar kesenyalan nanti joki staff National Development Unit terkunci MBA di nasional dunia kita sedang seluruh bagi saya pun saya society kebanggaan negara. Jika insyaallah sebelum di sini bakuno bagi seluruh yakni para nasional. Mereka kerana di sini pun di nasional dunia kita sedang bersuatu dan jawaban senok hilang siapa mereka IBCS. Ada juga di IBCS number 20 dan aspek pengumur. Tidak perlu producer group, tidak perlu for siapa mereka IBCS. Bahkan juga di dalam lain di producer group di balayo yang dimentuai kita di balayo yang dimentuai restoran sound lah new pesan juga. Kini lagi di producer group jelaskan dan mereka lagi jom-jomkan menghadap sing dan dari sini. Bahkan kita tidak sampai sendiri producer group dan kita di producer group dan tempat yo ikhlas menyerap pro. Apa dia berarti member dan makuakan IBCS ibaratnya pihak bisa tidak mempunyai sifat syukur dan kesehatan ini tidak tentang itu katalah sau ajaran sifat sau santikan dan nilai itu dan ayu jadi member ibadat kamu kejenyera kadu sifat santi ilun berkata lalu berada dan function dalam kalah sampai jalan spa aku bukan. Katanya isi buat IBCS ini bukan kiu karena kalian kapasitas development unit dilayu aku yang berpospon dan sedang diberikan. ya ka security cluster berada ke processing unit dan implement approach long ini dan dia menentukan untuk para member senang dan non senang ila ay sumaya kajaga dan senai dari processing unit ha ka songdor like standard construction san kuih aja dan soft intervention bagi penjualan yang ikan dan dunia yang training harus senang tuni baca senang ramadan berkunjung kelahiran dan tiap yang machine nakalian ka MBMA radio Jylla narada ki machine usandor alpula tinga dan hadu mentar ini machine tidur satu lawan boy yang dijaga proses ini ya usahakan ni radio ni akan ka prime home ke bani syong mentar bagi belum akan ka meeting kini ni yo na state government but collaboration with SC Kerajaan Shiklun mungkin pesan nak KISS kalau yo yang Jylla dan China yang kepada house dan contribution jo KISS ke belong anak dan office di sanlam